We have a lot of kinds of pollution, but the most important is the water pollution. That element is the principle who permit the life, uh, because the living species need a lot of water to permit the his process. And in that moment, I will going to talk the cause, effects, and possible solutions. That um, is or was originated a long time ago in the industrial production, and the when the industrial uses a lot of water, and that water is contaminated with the detergents and other things, and that go to the water, and the our houses we uses the that detergent and another kinds, and the greases and the gray and black water throw to the sea or another important lakes. No, also we in the agriculture, some of pesticides run off to the soil and go to the underground water and contaminated that. Um, that is the most important effects. And who possible solutions we have? Um, we have who we view in the um, before before that, that is the most important because that permit the life. And some we if we drink that, we have causes a lot of diseases. And who can we evit that? We started in the houses or industries have a lot of filters, and that filters can help to disinfect the water, and uses another kinds to pesticides who evade the runoff, and that was more organic. And that this is all. Thank you.